We often see the medals and the uniform, but what we don't see is the grind behind them. From a young cadet in 1987 to a PhD scholar at Mumbai University, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan's journey to becoming the next Navy Chief is a masterclass to never stopping. The Government of India has officially named Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan as the next Chief of the Naval Staff. He will take over the bridge on May 30th, 2026, following the retirement of the current Chief Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. As India is strengthening its maritime presence in the Indo-Pacific, all eyes are on the man who will lead the sword arm of the nation. His journey began nearly 4 decades ago, when he was commissioned into the Indian Navy on July 1st, 1987. A specialist in communication and electronic warfare, his academic pre-degree is world-class. He is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, the Joint Service Command and Staff College in the UK, the College of Naval Warfare, Karanja, and the United States Naval War College in Rhode Island. But his expertise isn't just academic. He has command of the heavy hitters of the fleet, including the missile vessels Vidyut and Vinash, the guided missile destroyer INS Mysore, and the crown jewel of the Navy, the aircraft carrier INS Vikram Aditya. But what truly distinguishes Vice Admiral Swaminathan is his title of Scholar Warrior. His qualification includes a BSc from JNU, a MSc in Telecommunication, a MA in Defence Studies from King's College London, and an MPhil degree in Strategic Studies. Along with it, he also has a PhD in International Studies from Mumbai University. His services has been recognized with the highest honor, including the Param Vishisht Seva Medal and the Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, along with Vishisht Seva Medal. He is also the man behind the scenes of the modern Navy safety. He was instrumental in raising the Indian Naval Safety Team, ensuring that operational safety is woven in every vertical of the Navy. From leading the Western Fleet to serving as the Vice Chief of the Naval Staff, he has touched every facet of the naval operation and personnel management. His deep understanding of the electronic warfare and the international strategy will be vital for as India moves towards greater Atmanirbharta or self-reliance in defense. On May 30th, the watch changes. With a scholar's mind and a warrior's experience, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan prepares to lead the Indian Navy in its next chapter. That is all for today. I am Shreya and you are watching National Defense. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.